All right, y'all. 12 top, 12 bottom. Sterling silver joint, man. Whew. Doing a lot of 24 pieces, man. A lot of people just want that whole mouth. This thing is about 800, y'all. Top and bottom. We make these things fit to your teeth, full back. All the gum lines. Somebody asked me earlier on the live chat, they was asking, is our silver real or is it plated? Poor child. He doesn't understand jewelry, but I'm not upset at him. What happened was he purchased something on the internet, and like from another company that was $500, and it was plated. So silver doesn't really work like that, guys. Silver is generally going to be silver unless it's like brass or something. But they generally don't do brass and silver plated. What people will do, when most time plating is going to be brass, it's going to like brass jewelry plated in gold. You see the little Amazon jewelry, you know, the $20 Grillz, those are going to be the little cheap ones. Those are probably going to be like pewter and plated in silver or something like that. But for $500, that's probably, I'm guessing he probably got brass gold plated. So I told him on my website, if you notice, nothing on the website says GP. If you see something when you guys are shopping on the internet, a lot of times people, they just don't have knowledge of jewelry. You can't be mad, you know, I'm not mad at you. But when you see something on the internet, guys, and it says like, say for example, a 12 piece, 14K GP, that's the key. Or EP, you know, any of that stuff. That means electroplating. GP means gold plating. So that means it's 14 karat gold plating. So a lot of times people want to buy something, they want to be cheap. But like my dad always says, you get what you pay for, man. You get what you pay for. So, you know, he wasn't mad at me. He was just trying to get some knowledge on the game. And I told him a little much as I can via chat, you know. Most of the time it's via the text when people have the questions. But, you know, like I explained to him, like anything on my website, nothing on my website is plated, guys. One time we plate something and say, for example, you wanted a 10K gold grill, but you wanted it to look like 22K. We would plate it to 22K, but it's still going to be a 10 karat gold grill. That 22K plating lasts for a while too. Then whenever you need to get it redone, just redip it. But yeah, this is the 12 top 12 bottom, y'all. $800. If you need that in gold, it's going to be obviously closer to like 14, 15, 1600, somewhere around there, depending on what style. This thing is hard to hold on to with these gloves. It's got me doing some gang signs out here. Hold on, let me fix my hand, though. We at the house today, y'all, chilling. I know some of y'all gonna catch my tray. Oh, yeah. It's illegal up in Washington, man. But yeah, man, we at the house, man, doing it. So I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Hope you have a great week, all right? Peace.